Hi, third period. It's Mrs. Gant. I wanted to go over the directions of the assignment that you guys are going to have today and tomorrow to work on. But first things first, hopefully by now you guys have all turned in your Unit 1 terms. Those are due at 10 o'clock today. So get those in if you guys haven't got those in. Number 2, the assignment that you guys are going to start today is going to introduce you to the 4 types of governments that exist in society. Now, this is what you're going to be seeing. Okay, it's a 4-part chart, and you'll notice that there are 4 headings: democracy, theocracy, a monarchy, and a dictatorship. What you guys are going to do, the directions are there clear, but I wanted to reinforce it. Now, the key word that you guys should see there is describe. That means none of these will be a 1-sentence answer. There are really 3 things I want you to consider for each of these 4 types of governments. Number 1, how did they start? Okay, so tell me generally how democracies start. Tell me generally how theocracies start, etc., etc. Number 2, how do they work? Okay, how does a democracy work? How does a monarchy work? How does a dictatorship work? Blah, blah, blah. Number 3, what is the impact of that government on the people? Okay, so what's the impact that a dictatorship has on the people? What's the impact that a theocracy has on the people? Okay, now, those 3 things will give you guys a very good description of what you need to put for each box. All right, remember, stay way clear of the 1-word answer. Focus on those 3 descriptions. It's also in the directions. There's one other thing that I want you guys to do. If you look, it says, give me a country example. Okay, so if you look up an example of a theocracy country today, you'll put it somewhere in that box. Okay, you'll look up an example of a monarchy today, you'll put it in that box, and you'll do that for each of the boxes. If you want to use one from the past, that's fine. Like maybe you wanted to look up a theocracy from the past, that's fine. But make sure to label it. If you guys see, it's right there in a direction. So I want you guys to be clear on this. Now you're going to have 2 days to complete this assignment. So you guys, you'll have today and tomorrow. It is due on Thursday, and your class time for Thursday, of course, is 10 o'clock. So you have 2 days to complete this assignment. Please do a good job on this. I cannot reinforce enough the whole description. Tell me how these governments started, how they work, what impact they have on the people, and last but not least, make sure you include a country example. Okay, so do a nice job on that. You guys will already notice that it's 40 points, which is indicating to you that's a pretty sizable assignment. Okay. Hopefully that helps describe what I need you guys to do for each one of those boxes for the 4 types of governments that exist. If there are any other questions that you guys have other than me going over it and you guys reading the directions, you're welcome to email me individually, but remember, be proactive if you need to do that. All right, you guys, have a great Tuesday and Wednesday. Bye.